My first true wireless earbuds. The exact model number is written at the back of the box. Here in very small print it says model number Ep-T25. As you can see, it comes with very minimum packaging. There's no color, it's just a plain brown box wrapped in a plastic film, and it's got the picture of the actual Aukey. On this side it says go green with Aukey. Nothing on this side, again same thing, go green with Aukey. There's a sticker here with the barcode and model number. It says Aukey wireless control 25 hours playback time. And now the reason I bought this is it charges with via USB-C. Also has got some kind of splash proof, waterproof design, and gives you at least about 4 to 5 hours of battery life. And then you can just charge it in your actual device about 3 to 4 times. So let's just open it up. As I say, this is going to be my first true wireless earbuds, first experience. I'm just going to pair it up with our trusty iPhone, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that's the earbuds. As you can see, they just keep it everything minimum. So this is the USB cable you need to charge, and some ear tips, and then some the guides inside. Okay, so that's it. 24 months product warranty. That's not bad at all. So quick start guide. Okay, I think we will not need that. I hope so. So this is how it looks. Let's just put everything away. So this is your USB-C cable, yeah. I'm not gonna open it. So this is how it looks, like a small capsule. Okay. Open it up. So once you open it, you see the 4 blue lights coming up. Let's just take it out and I'll show you how it looks. So this is how the box looks. USB-C charging, if you can see that, yeah. And this is how our earbud looks. I'm just going to put it on a white background so you can see it close. It's just very small, looks like Apple AirPods. Okay, it will be fun to use this, and I'll give you my honest feedback if you want to get this from Amazon or any other place where they can sell it. So this is Aukey. So the Bluetooth pairing is done. I'm now gonna test the mic of Ep-T25. By the way, this recording is done by the earbud itself. This recording is the real sample of Aukey Ep-T25. Ep-T25 comes with USB-C charging, and charging case gives you 20